So you're writing a blog post and you want good visuals. How do you do it? That's the question I had until I stumbled on this tool. It's amazing. Now I can put up blog posts with amazing companion visuals like what you see here on the screen. By the way, if you haven't followed the Medium, go check it out. We're putting some great content there. Follow, clap, subscribe. I think the feedback is always very much welcomed. Now, what is this tool? This is called Napkin AI. The moment I saw Napkin AI, I honestly asked myself, how did we survive for so long without a product like this? To me, this is the true instantiation of these Gen AI capabilities we've been all waiting for, because it transforms your workflow in such a powerful way. Now, a napkin.ai link in the description below. You sign up for napkin.ai. The interface is simple and intuitive. Watch what it does. I've written a blog post and I need some visuals to go along with. You come into napkin.ai, you're logged into your profile, and the canvas is so simple. I come in here, create my first napkin, and that's what it says. Now you can create the napkin by generating text using AI, or you can paste an existing content. So I will show pasting an existing content. So this might be a blog post and you want some good visuals to go with napkin.ai. Click on that and paste some content. My content is Gen AI. This is a blog post. I prompted this from Gemini, and it's saying key technologies, text generation, key capabilities, content summarization. There is a lot in there. People can read this, but it would be nice to have a good visual to go with this. Coming to napkin.ai, you can select the entire text and generate visual, or go to specific components of the text and generate visuals from them. Okay, so let's come into this. I'm going to select every text in here and then click on generate visual, and this is where the magic happens. So it's generating the visual, and below you have options for these visuals just based on the text. Where you select the sections and you can have different visuals for different sections. So in here, this is an overview of generative AI. So it's taking that and now it's giving a visual that is a representation of that text. I think this is cool. So now what I'll do is scroll down, and this is where your taste comes into play. Depending on the concept you're dealing with, you can now dial into the visual that makes sense. Here is an overview. I tend to like this atomic type diagrams. I think it's a visually compelling. Light bulb. All of these visuals are available for you to pick. Or you can even go into this almost like a mind map visualization of it. So let's take that just for the sake of an example. Now I'm going to take this option. There are a couple of options you can take. I'll take that option. Now I've got the visual. So what is generative AI? The mind map has been created. These are the capabilities, key concepts, technologies, transformers, LLMs, diffusion models, challenges, hallucination, bias, resource requirements, and then important concepts to learn, embeddings, tokens, context windows, you name it. All of this is part of this text, and the formatting even wasn't that good, but somehow it's understood it. And I also like, and this is just, I call it quality of life, even the icons that are used are relevant to. So here you have this danger sign or warning sign related to challenges, right? Imagine the amount of time it would take to come up with something like this by yourself. People can do it, but how long did it take me to do this? It's really powerful. If I don't like this, you can always delete this, go back and regenerate. Choose a different visual. Let's say if I don't like that, go down. There are more visuals. These are the key technologies, key concepts. So this could be interesting. This visual could also be interesting. There is more visuals. I'll keep this short. Let's stick with what we had before. Say we're going with this. How do I take this and embed into my presentation or into my blog post or into my content? All you got to do for this is you select that canvas. I'm just clicking on my mouse and selecting. And here you can download. So if you click on download, this will download that as a PNG. Once you have the PNG, you can also change the border, you can change the formatting, you can change the color. There are a lot of things that you can change. But this gives you maximum flexibility to go from idea to very engaging content that makes it easy for your audience to consume. For me, a lot of these things is not just the tool. At the end of the day, if I'm putting out content, I think of my readers, the people who are consuming and following and clapping, to make it easy for them. It's one thing to put out content without visuals, but I found that if I take the time to put in visuals to it, it makes that reading a lot appealing for the audience, hopefully. But guys, let me know below, or maybe we should stop doing this in this blog post. But my suspicion is that people actually like visuals to go along with the content, and Napkin.ai has changed that game for me. Highly recommend it. Go check it out. This is not sponsored. I just think it's a cool tool. My job here is to showcase and highlight interesting tools that might be of value to you. Hopefully you get value out of that. Now, what is the pricing? I've been using this so far for free. I don't think that this will be free forever. There's a starter plan, which is free. Professional plan is free. Then there is an enterprise plan. Pricing is still a little bit up in the air, but I'm guessing that at some point they're going to have to make money. So I wouldn't be surprised. But I'm somebody, if I have to pay for this and it's going to change my workflow or make things better for me, I will pay for it. So Napkin.ai is definitely in my workflow of go to Gen AI tools. Again, link in the description below if you want to go check it out. There you have it, a good overview of Napkin.ai. Go check it out. This has been Fru here with DemoHub. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking to the end. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next demo.